Bonohene abe class with his excellency the president John Dramani Mahama any NDC leadership ever salary increment here. Yeah, they got correct 206 one say a home popo aba is at 9%. Na 9% no ana Bonohene abe class with Mahama. How do I eje fedi agro? Beba nti mu no a kire wadwe amame. E comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Mess was say need mo. Obi like video no that my subscribe button, number click the notification icon for latest updates. Number kire wadwe dia amame. E comment section. Mess also baso no share for so anya bi ahye. It only say Ghana say this share tie no. Say afibia e be kwa wi a aye provisions for the next year. Our provisions no. Ade ba kwa na o man nyina ehwe animu eye salary increment, base pay salary increment. And Musen and Aban Edeba. Say we are the next year mu. As say from time to time biano afibia just a free October, November, December Honday. I and I and to more Aban Ediaba for the next year. Eya ta etibi. Now over MPP time no. Oh na and to more who be na eba. I said that agreement no eye Aban amanyo kuobi any organized labor and a kwatanase. Bino eti committee bi na omo a committee with organized labor na omo no akoto ato adwene ema adwene akosipo akobenko mu entumu dodo a e wose aban e de ba a ebeboa timamini obia na obia eho ebeton e wo Ghana hadama but over kaya under the MPP government no just a proposal bia MPP government e de ba ye bia no organized labor is ombeji atumu no they oppose it omu okay, this year you perceive 18%. Organized was you must say, more than 40%. Almost once a year to me 40. Almost okay, year we you better to say, organized was a more than say, even to the point to say, it got to a time when not organized labor crown a demand the almost percentage. Almost any extra amount to a coup for the farmer woman. To the point that sometimes they were demanding 60%. And also at times they told a coup for the says, so to move about or making sure it to be 70% and above. But Uncle Vikoya na omu yes yan tiase for become yan penny yan yes no. Mahama betona kunya so January mu I was starting and to the first quarter of 2025 and tomorrow the buy 10%. Na organize wa for hwanyam yanim agi atom. Omu say no ye okay. Emma at the latter part of 2025 year go 2026 I was saying provisions for the next year. Now some the enquete a just assessing the president John Dramani Mahama. Now who then ever salary increment no was said about to the provisions are every the year 2026. Now about to no. Eko na say 2026 no about to public sector ni bi akatua mu just 9%. Ama eno so no organized labor for achi atomo. Na eno na Bonohene every don say o dey NDC government emu Ghana for. Omo for Ghana for enya hwe. Na organized labor so no omo ye hypocrite.
Abane se wayade adwumayefo mo amunsam emfama ndisi aban ana adwumayefo ne se aputo ade me na waye
we boy
aban mi na no nkasa ena minimum wage watomu 9%
we
government workers teachers for nurses for police for hwan for omo ya ban adwuma or two America triam ye kodi no and so 9%.
Wash.
Adwe fo bebre buafu say tam. This ya ba betena konwa so bia wo de nada ne nkontompo ne beba.
Etumpan
Entro wo betimi adi ntura won hwe ne pa hu obakapje so ye kakaipo wo be kena we. NDC aman yoko no omusu ene omoban no.
etumpan.
Now Mami started from 2023 po. Remember some question. 2023 after COVID ba you ya ho kira ba bibia nkọ bibia ya standstill wo krom ha abrochire aluprentu ma ebi nkọ bibia nya hwe no. So na workers aban adwumayefo na MPP aban tuamuka. Teachers for na mo nkọkira de enso na MPP aban etue teacher for COVID by. Nurse for na bebre nkọ kakra bi na ekọ because COVID aba saa time ni nyina no na mo mutifie nyina no na aban their government workers professionals trained people and aban na mfa sabi wa antoto omanim ase What you born ya need momo.
Etumpan.
Go na shocks about international shocks about Yadia ba COVID about a man may be a su Ghana ye lalasu my lalasu na ya. Na nipa na wo kwa ne nkyɛn no COVID aba ne ho akyere no ne economy asai wo kwa no akɔsɛn wo kɔka dan
Etumpan.
but MPP aban nim nyansa na ɛyɛ aban papa nti no wɔ tighten ne bed sɛ dabi
Etumpan.
yɛ wɔ ahokyerem
Etumpan.
nanso adwumayɛfoɔ yɛ aban adwumayɛfoɔ ɔmo nkatwia mema ne nkam tini afia ɔmo ka COVID twa mu 2023 tripartite committee ekotena ase kodwin aban adwumayɛfoɔ akatwia ho and MPP aban increment ɔde baayɛ na yɛ 30% 2023 bisa wo bia so meka no kre wokrom a after COVID 2023 normal ayɛ den economy afi na start te sɛ akoramo na yɛwo no awotwia no fo ano still not dwena adwumayɛfoɔ ho
Kukurudu.
And the increment our debate na 30% 2023. You read 2017 January. 2017. A Benjamin for Katia into mu na 12.5%.
Kukurudu.
Yeah, companion contrasted. 2017. 12.5%. NDC 2025 almost we are now 1 year to about 9%. So 2018 abana ntiana afibia na abana to aban adwumafo akatwam watomu 11%. 2019 watomu 10%. 2020 15%. Na debio na Ghana for pay 2021 what the 4% become 15% ho wasam omukula cost of living allowance
Kukurudu.
cost of living allowance teacher ni na wo ye adwuma no police na wo ye adwuma no what wo benya nkwa betima ye adwuma no ye sign di kakra ka ho ase ama no
Kukurudu.
2023 and our two mu 30% ana me no di ho nkomo no 2024 na Ghana for su and abaninye and ye ho kire yen and ye say first half of 2024 abani sign to mu 23%.
Etumpan.
Second half of 2024
Etumpan.
abani di begina at 25%.
Adwin kɛseɛ so da yɛ adwin ketewa nte ase
2024 na no mo maye den no what to mu nko 25%. Abani adwuma efo akatua sande tu mu
Jenia kasa.
Aban way by a first year. Maming for 2017, 2025. 2017, MPP to move 12.5%. NDC by 2025, what to only 9%. And so yet, Aban is in Noma year. Adia Ben a year. Mama Noma Ben a year. NDC Aban Dan a Yama Ghana for Aban Juman in one Ben Bisano.
Hey, now 24 to be jack trouser.
And no man yet.
Hey, Mahama.
So in your closet, at your comfort zone, what in a honor I am a NDC ni, and I'm a Mampaini, and I'm a minister. Almost in no man, yeah, be behind ye.
Way, boy.
I come out be behind ye. And to would indicate as any about now inflation at Tiaba farm and $1 to CD, SN rate yeah, and a fool or Boaba farm. So, and no man boa kwana kosoro, and no man yet.
ne kana da hodo
Mamin fa adia Ghana ni bia beti ase wo de nkane abo. Nkane abo. Ani nsu abo. Aban yi ba increment awaye. Na hwe sika wo de abeka ho. Work percentage no mame. Aban betena akonwa so May 3 2025. Ye tumre ni akire sie May 3 2025.
ne kana da hodo
Nkane abo increment equal 14.75%.
Hey, Mahama.
And to more what they buy no. Meanwhile, Johnson has said Dunkatia Koya campaign can say, and this ya buy bank can ya bob a from Sunny Bay will be a Dinkania ye Juma, the Hubert Mahino, or buy your mutu 14.75%.
Wow.
May 3 2025.
Hey, now
July 1, July 1, 2025 was signed to May, June, July. I'm assuming you're noon time.
Hey,
Abani 3 more than 1 million Ghana for
Hey, Era Mahama.
Watumu 2.45%. October
Hey,
2025. Otumu 1.14%. Increment what they buy no. Na ma min konsuo na min kan sam kire o. Ensuo June 3. June 30th. Watumu 4.02%. July 1 to September 30th. Wantum
hey, Era Mahama.
abani suban no. Enti bisa wo sesa wo tonsuo and as at May abani to move 14.75%. Yeah, mathematics.
Hey,
Na sabi wouldn't can ya jumana no so ya 2 mu a abani so 2 pay mu 9%. Enti wo 9% na wo dia ma aban juma ni no sabi wo abeto nsuo mu abeto nkane no wo be dia hwedema wo be dia nsuo
You can't we also be reset your
wo be dia nyankane dia dama na suma adwo no
You can't we also be reset your mind.
because edum kane wo plant wo fie enti ono ne power ne sa kwa apia na aboa. And a man for be justify say 9% there yeah 9%. Good board Sami Damfi say na oje.
Wash.
Good board Sami Damfi. Mumi san say oje say. Randy Abe Coco board. Bisan say oje say. Offices ahodo amba o be kreti di amanfo agum no. Why na je say 9% no.
Woka wie no so won tiase dia e wono headache.
And two pesi ye cushion ye ho no. No wa umpanyifo no bai na nkobi akatua. What is whom? What is whom? What is and to be a teacher near one fire ya won kwachira de.
Ne ka na da ho no.
That is why you get good results. No? Because teacher ni na work on the pay nye.
Ne ka na da ho
Teacher
no.
ni bi work on my dear chance I see you ni minister no. See you ni minister bebre abon.
Etumpan.
Ya won nurse fo bi wa adwene ne ka, police fo ni bi wa ma adwene ka, chan ye ministers ni ye CEOs no.
Ne ka na da ho no.
But so many work kwa 3,000. Maybe I say 3,000. Now the 3,000. I say teacher ni some
Ne Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ti aban mu. In the Fourth Republic, the highest by 30%. Year Nana Mode by that was 2023 mu. 2024 about 25. Yenim say at least ke year mama. Ah Ghana for GND. Ghana for do NDC. And into omo to abane ma mu boom. Ni titiri na aban adwuma ye fo. In fact, about your 2 years, they be a mekasa aban adwuma ye fo. They move for kese na omo ye floating voters. They don't have political party omo belonging to. Omo koto omo ba. Omo hwe de ye kwa na enya. Enti omo mpo de na nke wo se ye mo omo alewa, ye mo omo Christmas toffee ni bi. Na omo kasa aban ye nya agidie wo omo mu yi. De omo de ama ye nie. Ene ye hwe. So we the free 2017 ba na that 12.5% bones. 2018 na that 11%. 2019 10%. 2020 15%. Yaba 2021 na 4% beka 15% ho. 2022 15% ayekola on base salary. Yaba 2023 na me say 30% no. 2024 and eba the same 23% January to June. July to December 25% and ye de koye. Na ene yera mama baya with a free 25 about 10. Ye nim say oh nka we de ebe ko 2026 yi de. Yera mama de be ko be 15 20 na kakra but ene yaba 9. Achechefo anese fo aban adwuma ye fo ma memfa ni na in January aban na munya agidie wo mu no. Omo chiama no pay. Megidi se akatua na ye de ato mo ayi so amam no mani je na so mani because enya moda munni gidie wo mu anka mo nkwa ba ni so nim de nti o de ba asa enti
abani din kan di 10% ne
e ba tin de no 2026 de no e na aba 9% no what you say e say aka tumpe e na obetum se afi bia wo so wotum ana asa wote so enti ya ban se na ekwai de me de menka enya me de menka se sa but se na ye wura ma etum bayi me de me se obesan ate so
wa ma yedi za nkomo yi kakra di anhwa na ochine yentume antina se
oh china mu bedi china we de ye de brush ado keke ba wo china de minim se ebe ye nko na me bomba ye so wo china no enya aban adwuma ye fo an kasa na ye nya omo wa ha ti mesere so fala se china wo ma aban adwuma ani every the communication team nimba because omo tu na minim se china ombeba ni na no every MPP side no mo ya aban adwuma ye fo a they can pour out things in their heart omema ye hu said the name si ko ba me de minim se me nuan mani nje ho enti maka ho kakra bi omo na betena ha omo betena ha ma aban adwuma ye fo nyina omunim in their shoes omunim se na etiti how it feels enti omo beka a ebia ye blàst so for latia omukọ meeting obeka na omaye bibia fa ho amaye na enu hu hia me pa
Yo, Martin Incoming Communications Director, NPP1G Constituency. Director Baba.
Abusiafo ajebo ajano ababe public sector salary increment 9%. But my first question is, where is Professor Jampo? Where is he? In 2023-2024, he was all over the place. Know who you sent for negotiation. Today, where is he? Osha shippers. Into udidi ayankasa. Na fudu mo ayama into wankasa. Public sector increment 9%. 9%. 2024 last year. Penyah 23 with an additional 2 money by 25, you know. We'll see, let's watch who we send for negotiation. In 2025, this year, early this year, President my friends 10%. All you could tell us is that the president went and sat in the negotiation table, so we should applaud him for that. Today he didn't go 9%. What do you have to tell us? Are you silent? Early this year, John Dramani Mahama made us believe, say, salaries will be increased by 10% because he has just come into the system and he is now yet to understand how the system is. We should pardon him, and then next time the economy is bad, blah blah blah. If that economy, please, let's reason here. If that economy that he met is able to give public sector 10%, today in his 1 year, the economy can give public sector workers 9%. And you are everywhere telling us the economy is good. You are everywhere making us to believe the economy is good. Nanado's economy that you said was bad is giving public sector 10%. Based on what you gave us early this year, you said that you came and met an economy that is bad. We agree. So that economy is giving public sector increment 10%. The one you managed within 1 year has reduced it to 9%. What economy are you governing us with? What economy are you governing us with? But you see the gullible supporters. They will come into the comment section and insult. We are waiting for you. We are surely waiting for you. Hey, this country, Professor Jampo, we are still waiting to hear from you too. The almighty Professor Jampo everywhere. Today you are sheepers. You don't even know what is happening at the labor union. Hey, I'm in trust. I'm trying to make a cancer baby. I was here for that is where we are now. Madam was it.
Chere wadwe mame e wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah Block Media.